This episode, I am chatting to Simon Soar. Now, Simon is based in Jersey. He is part of their Cobra team that is helping the hospitality industry, that's helping the industry get back. He's fighting this on the front line on a daily basis. And he's going to give you some bad news, but he's also going to share some good news.
We were getting together before we had our first case. We're now on 5 cases tested positive in Jersey. The group meet, I've had one meeting earlier this week, I've got another meeting on Friday. There's a number of different groups that are feeding into this, and we feed into, there's about 3 or 4 in this group who are part of the emergencies council. We provide the business liaison into that to make sure they can understand the support that's required in our island. We're currently quite fortunate to sit a little bit further behind the curve of where UK is, but we're very fortunate we've had both a strategic and tactical coordination group who've been going for about 9 weeks now, which is longer than quite a few of the others have in different jurisdictions. This has meant that we've been able to plan and prepare in several different ways. The stuff we're doing right now, and I think that's what's quite relevant to what we're going to talk about today, is looking at, in particular, business continuity. It's looking at how we can protect the island's economy. I think it's quite clear that we're seeing one of the biggest downturns in the economy globally. This is a massive impact for a lot of businesses, and our key point at the moment is how we can, number one, protect low levels of unemployment, which we know are going to take a big impact, but number 2, try and get as many businesses through this key stage.
Because obviously, like I say, you're on the front line with this. You're dealing with it on a daily basis. There's cases that are there. You're talking to high-level people about this. Let's just go over a couple of the myths that you want to share. So we were chatting about this off air, and I think this is really important. Yeah, just when you're ready, just go through them.
Talking about the myths, so we've got a number of things. Number 1, I think it's understanding about coronavirus. A number of health experts will come out. I would advise people to be careful about what they read on social media.